Okay, welcome back, guys. Today we're going turkey hunting with Paw Paw. There's Paw Paw over there. We're going turkey hunting.
Go ahead. I'm sorry. I was going to go.
So here we go. We'll see you when we get there. Before we go turkey hunting, we have a few things that we have to say. So one, turkeys, they cannot see very well. No, they can see really well, and they can hear really well. But they can't smell. Like, they don't have noses. Well, they do. They just haven't figured them out yet. So we just need to make sure we don't get seen or heard. Turkey hunting is the hardest hunting I've ever done, because deer hunting.
If a turkey could hear, you'd never shoot one. They've got excellent eyes and excellent hearing.
Yeah, it's hard to shoot a turkey, even with no hearing. So it'll be hard to get a video, but we'll just let you know when we kill one. We've been looking around. We haven't seen any turkeys, but we've heard a lot. And you can see all this is where the turkeys have been. And here, just scraping, looking for food. I did find a shed, like somewhere over there, but we might sit here. They've kind of stopped gobbling. Oh, there's a gobble. But we'll see if we can get one. We'll let you know. We were hearing gobbles, but now I don't. Oh, there's one way up there. My dad and I then went fishing. I caught this nice one and then ended off with that one. I've never killed a turkey before. We've caught bass. We know their turkeys are here because we've seen them on camera. So now let's go get them. Okay, we got our decoy set. See him over there. And the turkeys are gobbling. That one right there. We got our Jake. And then they coming out through right there. Hopefully, if it's all good, we can shoot them when they come. We'll let you know. Well, guys, we didn't end up killing a turkey. It's a sad time, but we decided to go fishing instead. We didn't take pictures of the dink bass that we caught because we just threw them back. But that's pretty much all for this video. I mean, it's a short video. Thank you for watching. We do have a new knee hockey video coming out, so if I guess you like those, stick around for that one. That one's coming out, I guess, today, because that's when this one came out too. So enjoy, and thank you, and subscribe.